Welcome to TechRill. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to use review instructions for code review in VS Code. In TechRill, we covered multiple videos on coding guidelines and review process. The recent video on code generation covered how to generate code based on our instructions. The coding guidelines are set. Based on that, Copilot will generate the suggestions for you. And we discussed about the PR review, where we guide the Copilot through a coding guideline set up in repository level for reviewing the PR code changes. Exactly the same thing we are doing with VS Code. How to set up review guidelines at VS Code level. We already covered another video on code review in VS Code, where we dealt with how to review code by selection, review of the commit changes. Two aspects covered here. This video will be a continuation to this code review in VS Code. Let us move to VS Code. In VS Code, we normally review the code by selecting the code, right-click, Copilot, Review and Comment. This will review the code based on the set conditions by Copilot. It's came up with multiple suggestions in terms of the offer equal to true. You can just say offer p.offer. There is no need for this comparison kind of thing. And there is suggestions for property null and property any. The condition can be clubbed together. So in case you want to accept any of these things, you can apply and go to next. If it is one thing to discard, you can discard or discard all of the changes. This one is covered as part of our previous TechRill video. I will give the link in the description. In case you missed that video, go ahead and refer that one. This is an extension of that video itself. Let us see how to set the review guidelines. Go to the settings, Copilot settings. Under that, you have a bunch of settings where you can find that GitHub Copilot Chat Review Selection Instructions. A set of instructions that will be added to Copilot requests that provide code review of the current selection. For current selection, this instruction can be applied. So either you can capture it in a file or you can directly write in the text format. So let me directly go here and just add the text format first one. It's use underscore for field names. Let me just elaborate a little bit. For .NET code, or you can say C# code, use underscore for the field names. And let me just accept this and rewrite this saying for Python, snake case for the function name, and again for, let me just ensure that C# functions at XML documentation comment for all public methods. That is what I needed. And let us add one more for the Python. So docstring is the one for Python. So nothing but we specified how to use the field name for C#, function name for Python, and C# and Python the documentation using XML documentation and docstring. These are the settings we did for reviewing the selection. We saved these settings Going back to our C# code, I'm going to select multiple functions here. Let me start from here. The get using ID and the top offers. 3 are selected. I'm going to Copilot and ask for a review and comment. This time it needs to review based on the review guidelines we set up. Let us see whether Copilot is able to review based on that and come back with suggestions. You can observe that the first suggestion itself, the missing documentation component. It's added the documentation for each of the things. A detailed documentation is available. In case I want to accept this, I can go ahead and accept it. Or moving to the next one, the second suggestion is get method with parameter ID is missing, XML documentation again, and it's generating the suggestions. Copilot is taking a little time to generate the suggestion for that. It's came up with a suggestion for that documentation. And the third one is again documentation. I think all the specific function there is no documentation, so let me just discard and take only one function and see how it's going to help me with review. So in our case we specified used underscore. Here actually it's already used underscore prop context, that's a local variable. Let me rephrase that. Don't use underscore. All I can say use. Normally underscore is the way we start a field name. So instead of that I can specify that use snake case. It's not a common practice to keep a snake case for a C# code, but for this review purpose, I just added that one and going ahead and selecting these things and asking Copilot to review and comment. You can observe that the field underscore context should be a snake case, and it's rewritten that using underscore property underscores context. It's a snake case property format it came. And the next one is mainly the documentation. Hello doesn't have a XML documentation, so it's added a XML documentation. Let me just apply this one and discard the first one. You can see that it's given a proper documentation for this hello public method. Let us move to a Python code here. The first one is the prime number checking method. I'm asking Copilot to review and comment. So Python also we have two recommendations. One is the function name should be snake case. You can see that it's changed to snake case, and also it's changed wherever we referred check prime. Down some places we referred check prime. That needs to be replaced with the new naming convention. And the second one is the doc string. It's missing the doc string, so asking us to add the doc string for that. Similarly, the next function is prime should be is underscore prime and doc string. It continues. Some of the things this is a suggestion not related to our review guidelines, but it's related to basic code suggestion. So you can expect both aligned to our review guidelines and the basic code review suggestions coming from Copilot. Once you set the settings file, I think I closed the settings file, just open it. So this is how you can set the review guidelines in VS Code. From a repository angle, it is called coding guidelines, which we discussed in our previous video. The link will be provided in description, so you can enforce the guidelines for code generation, review process in the IDE as well as in repository level. try it out and share your comments. Thank you.